Hi, Tyler Stalman. Today we're going to be unboxing some new Apple Watch straps and matching iPhone 12 cases, and they all come courtesy of Casetify, so thanks Casetify for sponsoring this video. I want to start with the new stainless steel, because not only is it super high quality and it looks really fancy, but most importantly, it comes in blue, so it can match my Apple Watch Series 6 that is also in blue. So you can see that as I snap it together, all of the blue matches perfectly. It's an exact color match to Apple's blue. This looks so good. Like when you look closely, you can see it's not the exact same blue, it's just complementary. So it's a little bit lighter and sits really nicely with what Apple's done. So as I put this on, you're gonna notice two things. One, my wrists are pretty small, so this is gonna be way too big for me. We're gonna have to adjust that. But also I started to wear my Apple Watch actually backwards. So it's on the left wrist, but you can see the crown is on the inside. This is because I finally started working out again. And when you're like lifting a weight or lifting anything, it's nice to not have the crown pressing into your wrist. So if this was an analog watch, you couldn't necessarily make that change, but with the Apple Watch, you can just flip the direction so that it doesn't dig in. So Casetify supplies this little adjuster so we can make this fit. This looks like a proper watchsmith tool. I wish my mechanical watches came with it. If you look closely, you'll notice there are arrows showing you which way the pins need to be pushed out of the links. And I think I set this height first. I just screw until it pops out. Oh, that was easy. I mean, I've had to do this on other watches before, and I usually just use literally like a bobby pin or something, so this feels much more professional. So I'd recommend, if you're like me and you're gonna have to take out a bunch of links, take them out from both sides so that the closure is still kind of centered under the bottom of your wrist. You don't want it lopsided. Okay, I've never been so glad that I had the blue on. Having it all matched like this, it looks awesome. Hey Siri, what's your favorite color?
Software doesn't usually get to choose one, but I'll say green. What's yours?
Well, today it's blue.
Blue, like the ocean.
So looking at it now, I kind of feel like this new stainless steel is going to be the way that I dress up my Apple Watch these days, but it's got some competition. Casetify also sent their new Saffiano leather watch straps, and it's got a trick up its sleeve. It's not just a nice leather strap, although it is that. The leather that it's made from is biodegradable, and it's got an inner lining designed just for comfort. It's water, sweat, and scratch resistant. But then best of all, it's got my initials on it. You can customize them to whatever you want. You don't have to have my initials. You can have your initials too. They'll just customize whatever letters you want to put on them. Plus there's just tons of different colors to choose from, different color combos, so there's infinite possibilities. So we'll snap this onto a matching space gray Apple Watch, and this is a 44 millimeter, but 42 is also compatible. Like, these are all compatible to every Apple Watch going all the way back to the Series 1, so you really don't have to worry about compatibility. You just have to make sure you get the same size as you've got. And that's looking pretty good, but I got another trick up my sleeve here. We got another box to open here. Boom, look at that. We are so coordinated here. I feel like it's an outfit just between my watch and my phone. Like this is great. And you don't have to choose these colors at all. Like I say, they have tons of other ones. I like this combo. Like I say, small wrists, but yeah, this is nice, soft leather, adjustable strap. And then of course we can like customize our iPhone screen to match, because I mean, if we're gonna match, let's go all the way. Yeah, there we go. All right, got initials everywhere, got matching colors everywhere. Let's get a real phone in this. Oh yeah, and I'd forgotten that this is actually part of their new Magsafe Series 2, which is really kind of important to me with all my new phone cases. I am using Magsafe a lot, especially the car accessories. Like right now, I'm able to just pop it into this magnetic holder right beside my steering wheel, and it sits there super securely, never have to worry about it falling. Anyway, Magsafe is a must for me now. And these cases are super impact resistant. Like you can drop them from about 6 feet onto really hard ground and they will survive. So this is perfect. I got protective case, everything matches, and may go without saying, but there's a link in the description below. If you want to find out more, go to casetify.com/Tyler Stalman and you'll be able to pick your colors, your initials, everything you want can be totally customized. But we are not done yet. We've got a bigger box over here. A few more goodies inside. So first, this one is for Anya, and if you know her, you'll understand why this cow print is perfect for her. A little while ago, we did this photo shoot, and I can't even describe how perfect it would have been if she could have had these to wear in the shoot. I mean, I've never met anybody more obsessed with cowboys than Anya, so these are by special request for her. And the nice thing is, even if you pick a fun pattern like this, it's still made of the same high quality materials. All right, and we got one more to go. This one's for me. I just thought it would look awesome, and it's just a orange with a blue metal. And you know why I got this orange one? Same reason I have like 6 pairs of glasses, because it's just fun to have a little variety sometimes. And I've got the perfect watch face for it. Well, looks like I'm all set for watch accessories for a while. If you want to be too, you'll get 15% off at casetify.com/Tyler Stalman. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.